Hi there, it's George here, and today you got a new bamboo video. I'm gonna plant this bamboo in the soil, in the garden, which is Philostachys aurea, which I bought in autumn. And don't worry about it because the leaves are dried, but the new shoots will grow after the, soil will warm up and we'll see. But I have to plant it, and I have this instrument. And just let's try and remove the bamboo from the pot. I already did that, and I easily can remove by taking this bamboo, and let's do that. This is a running bamboo. I will plant around here somewhere, not at my home. And at home I don't have space, unfortunately. That's it, let's go to do that. I moved away this camera to see this bamboo, how I will remove from the pot. As you can see, it so looks like the root system is good and I have to propagate it. I hope I will succeed to divide some new shoots using this instrument. Oh my god. As you can see, this is a rhizome and will start growing new shoots from there. This rhizome I have to give to a friend. Well, I took a little bit of soil from the roots and now I have to dig a hole and plant it. I divided another very good. So the bamboo I'm gonna plant there somewhere. It's sunny and it's beautiful place. I hope it fits in this hole because it warmed me up. Here we go. It seems like I have to dig a little bit more, but from another side I was thinking I don't want to plant it in the clay soil, so I just will remove more soil from the roots. Oh my god, this is hard already. It's a rhizome wall. Not sure, but I can't. What are these things? It's kind of fertilizer. You know, it's better now. Just I will have to add soil around it. And I'm gonna put here good soil. As you can see the quality of the soil I'm using. Well, I finished planting and remained to water a little bit. Where do you think I got water? Here we go, this is a small river. Look at it, the new shoots are growing here. Well, this is not a bamboo. It is similar, but it's not bamboo. These are the shoots which I divided. Oh. I'm done, and the last thing, we need to cut off the dried shoots. So I clean it a little bit. I will see if they will dry completely. I will clean all of this, but on the bottom here they are still green. Well, this bamboo shoots which I divided, I have to plant in the pot, and this rhizome as well. And I'm gonna do that. Well, thanks a lot for watching this video to the end. I will come with an update when this bamboo in my bag will be green, and it will be a beautiful place. Here I sit, and behind me is a bamboo. So really nice to grow bamboo. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.